In this video, we look at automated case creation in SAP Service Cloud version 2 using Sinch's Chatlayer bot. So here we have a customer on the website. They can start a web chat, and this is first answered by Sinch's Chatlayer bot. We can have clickable buttons in the chat for easy selection, or we can just type in any question. We've uploaded knowledge documents to the bot, in this case to answer questions about products. So I can ask about guarantees. The bot scrapes through the documents and uses generative AI to create a suitable answer. We can also interact directly with SAP Service Cloud from the bot. So for example, creating a case within SAP Service Cloud without needing an agent involved. So here we want to create a case about getting our printer repaired. This collects the basic information on this, like a description of the problem, my printer's broken. We can also ask some more details. And then finally, we ask the email address, and this is used to identify the customer in SAP Service Cloud. Now the case is created in Service Cloud, so ID 154, and this is shown to the customer. We can just leave the conversation there because the case is created. But here we'll also hand over to a live agent, so we can choose Transfer to Agent. The chat is handed over to a live agent. The customer is identified. We can also see the full history of the conversation between the customer and the bot, so the agent now gets some context around what was discussed earlier. And in the timeline, we see that we've got this case 154 about the broken printer. So we can click on this to expand it, and we see the full detailed description which we added. So these support issues can be fully automated without needing an agent involved, but we always have the option to hand over to a live agent along with all the context needed so they can deal with more tricky problems. So now let's comment that we can get your printer repaired during this week. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.